Nyanja versus English. Kumbululuka, to fly. Kutamanga, to run. Kutamba, to watch. Kubelenga, to read. Kupenda, to count. Kupika, to cook. Kupyanga, to sweep. Kumwa, to drink. Examples. Kanyoni kambululuka, a bird is flying. Akonda kutamanga, he or she likes running. Nitamba bola, I am watching soccer or football. Nibelenga book, I'm reading a book. Nipenda ndalama, I'm counting money. Nipika vakudya, I am cooking some food. Nipyanga munyumba, I am sweeping the house. Nikumwa manzi, I am drinking water. Like, share, and follow for more.